Hello friends, I am Dhaval Tank and I am working as a assistant professor in the Department of Industrial Chemistry, Sri Manibhai Virani and Navalben Virani Science College, Autonomous, Rajkot. Department of Industrial Chemistry offer Mechanical Operation as a value-added course and I am coordinator of this course. You can contact me from 11 am to 2 pm in Industrial Chemistry Department for enroll in this course. You can also contact me by cell phone number which is mentioned here. In mechanical operation, various size reduction equipments are used. Size reduction refers to the operation wherein particles of solids are cut or broken into smaller pieces. Why size reduction required and why necessity of size reduction in chemical industry? In the chemical industry, this operation is usually carried out in order first to increase the surface area as in most chemical reactions and unit operations. For example, leaching involving solid particles, the rate increases by virtue of increase of area of contact between the solid surface and the second phase. Second thing, to meet stringent specifications regarding size of commercial products. Third thing, to achieve intimate mixing of solids in solid-solid operation as the mixing is more complete if the particle size is small. Fourth thing, to effect the separation of two constituents when one is dispersed in small isolated pockets. Due to above reasons, size reduction is carried out in chemical industry. Different size reduction machines are used to reduce the size of solids by compression, impact, attrition and cutting. Compression is used in case of coarse reduction of hard solids to yield relatively few fines. Impact yields coarse, medium or fine products. Attrition gives very fine products from soft, non-abrasive materials. Cutting produces a product of a definite particle size and sometimes a definite shape with a few or no fines. So, as per the requirement of our material, we can use the different kinds of the equipments which work on this principle. Jaw crusher works on the principle of compression. Roll crusher also works on the principle of compression. In hammer mill, size reduction is achieved by impact and attrition. Cone crusher works on the principle of compression and ball mill works on the principle of impact. Different equipments like jaw crusher, roll crusher, hammer mill, cone crusher and ball mill are used in the chemical industry for the size reduction. You can see different equipments like jaw crusher, roll crusher, hammer mill, cone crusher and ball mill in this slide and it is also available in our laboratory. Coarse particles and fine particles can be separated by the cyclone separator. It is also available in our laboratory. Different equipments which are used in industry are first jaw crusher in cement industry, second ball mill in paint industry, third hammer mill in food industry, fourth roll crushers are used in crushing of oil seeds and in gunpowder industry, and fifth cone crushers dominate the hard rock crushing market as they are suited to secondary, tertiary and quaternary applications. Thank you friends for watching this presentation and now if you have any query you can contact me in Industrial Chemistry Department. Thank you.